Section 1.3, example 21, evaluating a definite integral using the fundamental theorem of calculus, part 2. Evaluate the following integral using the fundamental theorem of calculus, part 2. This looks scary, but I promise it really isn't that scary. Let's take a look at why. So we're dividing this. What we actually have is another breakdown of the power rule, and we saw an example of the power rule earlier, so I am confident that we could do this one too. And square root of x, we're going to separate these two. Oh. Square root of x, integrating with respect to x. All right, so we have those two. We could actually turn this into a single variable without having to do anything crazy. So single variable, we have x to the power 1 minus x to the power of 1/2. So we have x to the power of 1/2 minus here x to the power of negative 1/2. So just have to integrate that. Actually, we could integrate, we could do that antiderivative here. So plus 1, that's going to be x to the power of 3 over 2. Multiply by the reciprocal, 2 over 3. Remember, when we take the derivative of this, we want to end up with this. So this, bring it down. Okay, so that would scratch those two out and subtract 1. Okay, perfect. So now doing the same thing here, minus, we're going to multiply something, x to the 1, negative 1/2 plus 1 is going to be positive 1/2. So the reciprocal of 1/2 is going to be 2. And again, we're going to be integrating over the interval 1 to 9. Let's clean this up a little bit just because it looks a little crazy here. So we have 2 over 3 x to the 3 over 2. There we go. Minus 2x to the 1 over 2. We're evaluating this from 1 to 9. All right, let's get started. All right, starting with evaluating at 9. So 2 over 3, we have 9 over 3 over 2, minus 2 times 9, 1 over 2. And we're subtracting all of this, but evaluated at 1. 2 over 3, 1 to the 3 over 2, minus 2 times 1 to the 1 over 2. All right, so 9 to the power of 1 over 2, that's the square root of 9, which is 3. So ignoring that part, we have 3. 3 cubed is 27. So we have 2 over 3 times 27 minus the square root of 9 is 3. So we have 2 times 3 minus the square root of 1 is 1. 1 cubed, 1. So that's still 2 over 3. Square root of 1 is 1. So minus 2. All right, so 27, so 20 or 3 goes into 27 9 times. So we have 9 times 2, which is 18, minus 2 times 3, which is 6, minus 2 over 3, plus 2. So 18 minus 6 is 12, 14. So we have 14 minus 2 over 3. And we have 14 times 3, 22 minus 2 is 40. So we have 40 over 3. And there we go. Can I get it all? Oh, I could. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.